It's a winter wonderland. Good morning all. We are back. Now we're on episode 5. We're just cooking through these things. Broccoli, changing lanes, hold on. I've been eating pretty awfully, not a lot of veggies. So I just picked up a veggie platter from Walmart and I'm just eating them straight. There's a ranch dip, but that seems too dangerous and messy to eat. I'm just cranking through these veggies. Oh, they're pretty gross. Just eating straight veggies. We got tomatoes, broccoli. The carrots were the first thing to go. Do you want to look good? Let's go out about gym. Feeling good? Feeling ready? Veggie dip from Walmart, thank you. Enough veggie talk. So, where am I now? First stop in Arizona, we are going to see the City of Rocks, and then we're gonna keep on going. We got a few more stops in Arizona after that. I'll see you guys in the city soon. It's a winter wonderland. Well, we drove up here. It was a little overcast and rainy. That winter storm effect came out of nowhere. Thanks to the elevation, it started so soon. Hailing at me at one point. Definitely fun, but now it's time to get off this mountain and go find somewhere to sleep tonight, and maybe somewhere warmer. Good morning, party people. So I spent last night in the desert. You guys can see it was beautiful. Very cool experience. Actually one of my favorite spots. Bad news is I woke up to 20 to 25 mile per hour winds. My tent was just going bananas in the wind, just flopping. And there was a forecast for rain this afternoon and going into the night. And I didn't want to deal with the wind or the rain. So I'm headed to a lake right now, only a few hours away and on the way to California. I made it to my destination 3 hours later. Not bad. So tomorrow I might head to California, possibly the day after. But the cool and the good news is California is literally right where those mountains are. Good old tent set up, a little chair.